Alright guys, it's the next day. We got our timing belt still on, and I took the valve cover off to check everything. I turned it over. Everything looks fine. All the sides are tensioned, so we're good there. Even the bottom is good. So now we're just gonna start finishing it up and putting everything back together. Alright guys, so the motor is pretty much halfway put together. Just got to put the valve cover on and put the spark plug coils on, and then the engine is done. Got to do the oil change still, and the oil filter, and also got to do the trans fluid and differential fluid and spark plugs, and we should have a fully serviced engine. Oh yeah, and also the fuel filter, and then we'll have a fully serviced engine. Alright boys, that's all she is. Got new spark plugs in. Gotta still do the oil change and the trans fluid, and also the diff, and then the fuel filter, and we'll be all done with this car and we can go spin it around the block. Alright guys, so we got the trans, the engine, and the diff all maintenanced up. So the car is done on maintenance, so now we can move on to body work. Then I'll send it to the body shop, have them fix this little, or this not little, but this dent back here, right there. Kind of hard to see, but have them fix that and do everything else myself as much as I can, and then we can get the car ready for paint and get it closer to being done. So that's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.